No, that is not true. And all of us have spines, whether we're like a minute old or whether we're like 99 years old. So everybody should come in and get their spine checked, because vertebral subluxation complex और misalignments जो होती हैं वो कभी चीख के नहीं बोलती हैं, कभी कभार उनके symptoms नहीं होते until many years later. So it's always best to get your spine checked. So absolutely not. Physical therapy is a completely different profession compared to chiropractic. Chiropractic comes from a source of science, art and philosophy. It deals with a patient-centric approach to health and healing, whereas physical therapy is more focused on movement and functionality. That's not true. Chiropractic is not painful at all. My kids get adjusted on a regular basis. It's safe, otherwise it won't be a profession. There's no bone cracking. So this is a very huge misconception कि जो आवाज़ें आती हैं, those are actually bones moving. They're actually not. Those are gases escaping from in between the joints. And the more you get adjusted, the less audibles will come, because your spine will hold on to its alignment. हेल्थ सेंटर्ड अप्रोच, प्रेजर्वेशन ऑफ हेल्थ जो है ना, वो लोगों को समझ नहीं आई अभी तक कि आपको यू कांट गो थ्रू लाइफ addressing disease or addressing symptoms. You need to preserve and maintain and elevate health. And how do you do that? You come in and see me. हर किसी को स्ट्रेस है. Everybody is under stress, whether it's trauma, thoughts or toxins. Trauma is postural stress, and we're sitting in for long hours every single day at work. 10-12 घंटे हम लोग बैठे हुए होते हैं काम पे, from what I've heard people doing. And then you have mental emotional stress that people go through all the time, and toxicity. So nutritional issues बहुत होते हैं लोगों के, where they're not drinking enough water, where they're taking in a lot of toxicity in terms of drugs and smoking and so on. So आपका exposure to all the 3 T's हर वक्त होता है. How you respond to that is very important, and that is what a chiropractor can explain to you. By adjusting your spine, we talk you through कि आपकी postural habits कैसे होनी चाहिए, आपकी nutritional intake कैसे होनी चाहिए. Mental stress आपका खुद ही regulate हो जाता है once you start getting adjusted, because your vagal tone gets better, your breathing gets better. So all of those, it's almost like it's once you start getting adjusted, it's almost automatic. All of the things that line up. So rather than waiting for symptoms to start, wouldn't it be better if you actually addressed the spinal misalignments in your spine and therefore not allow dysfunction to happen? No, it's not. Everybody should be invested in not just running after symptoms, but they should be invested in looking towards what their next 10 years are going to be like. So if you want कि मैं आज से preparation करूँ कि मैं 30s में जाके what I'm going to be performing as an individual, mentally, physically, socially, then you need to start preparing now. And that is where chiropractic comes in. It is very expensive. It is expensive for the primary reason that you're investing in your health. If you are looking at chiropractic being something that you can use to prevent further expenses, which would be medical bills that you would come across if you were not potentially managing your health now, then in the long run it's not expensive. In the short term it may be, but not in the long run.